Arctic Snowbird and Other Stories by Enid by Lawton. So here's the book, Arctic Snowbird, and there's a picture of a pig inside. I uploaded a video like this, but it wouldn't even move, so I think it would be better if I did it in the morning, and I am so sorry that this is so early to be filming a YouTube video, but I'm just an idiot, and I will start doing reading on my channel, so let's go. How Derry the Dormouse lost his secret. Once upon a time, Derry the Dormouse had hidden a nice little store of cherry stones in the hole of a hollow tree. He was so pleased with them that day he went to look at them every day. Sometimes he nibbled one, and when he came up to the kernel inside, he ate it all up. But he couldn't keep his secret to himself. When he met Bright Eyes the squirrel, he called to him, "Bend your head down, Bright Eyes, and I will tell you something. I have a store of cherry stones in the hollow tree." "It is nice to have a secret like that." Bright Eyes listened, and then leapt at the trunk of a tree and he found Screech the Jay looking very colourful in the sun. "Bend your head down, Screech, and I will tell you something," he said. "Someone has a store of cherry stones in the hollow tree. There is a secret if you like." Screech opened his beak and made a noise like his name. Then he flew off and came down in a field where Four Paws Hare was nibbling grass. "Bend down your head, Four Paws, and I will tell you something," said Screech. "Someone has a store of cherry stones in a hollow tree. There is a secret for you if you like." Four Paws listened eagerly and then went bounding over the field. It wasn't long before he met Mouldy the Mole. "Bend down your head, Mouldy, and I will tell you something," he said. "Someone has a store of cherry stones in the hollow tree. There is a secret if you like." Mouldy listened and then ran off in a hurry. She soon saw Grunch the Hedgehog, and she spoke to him. Bend down your head, Grunt, and I will tell you something. Someone has a store of cherry stones in the hollow tree. There is a secret for you if you like." Grunt listened and then went on his way down the ditch. Soon he met Flicker the Robin, and he called to him, "Bend down your head, Flicker, and I will tell you something," he said. Someone has I'm so sorry. "Someone has a store of cherry stones in the hollow tree. There is a secret for you if you like." Flicker listened and flew off. When he saw Fluff Fluff, the long-tailed field mouse, he called to him, "Bend down your head, Fluff Fluff, and I will tell you something," said Flicker. "Someone has a store of cherry stones in the hollow tree. There is a secret for you if you like." Fluff Fluff listened and ran off home. He went straight to the hollow tree, and there were found the store of cherry stones. Then what is it with me being so tired today? I have been very tired lately. I'm wanting now. Gosh. Ow. "Bend down your head, Fluff Fluff, and I will tell." Wait. No. Um, um, he went straight to the hollow tree, and there he found the store of cherry stones. Then quickly and quietly he carried them one by one into his mouth to where he had his home in a hole in the bank of the field. That evening Screech, Fourpaws, Mouldy, Grunt and Flicker all met together with Derry, and with one accord they began to tell him his secret. "Oh, Derry," they said, "we have a secret to tell you. Someone has a store of cherry stones in the hollow tree." "Why, that is my secret!" cried Derry the Dormouse. I'm in surprise. How is it you all know? But since you do know, and how come you know all it? But since you do know all it, come, come and I will show you my store of cherry stones in the hollow tree. He took them all to the tree, and they all appeared in Alas and Alec. The hole was empty, no cherry stones were to be seen at all. "Oh, oh!" wept Derry the Dormouse. "Now my secret is gone. My cherry stones are all stolen. If I had only kept my secret to myself, I should have kept my stones too. Where is my little store of cherry stones that I gathered so carefully from the orchard down the valley?" But no one knew, only Fluff Fluff. Could have told him, and Fluff Fluff wasn't going to. He was sitting in his hole, nibbling through the cherry stones to get at the kernels inside. Oh, naughty little Fluff Fluff. And that is the end of chapter 1. Come back for part 2 when I will be reading chapter 2, The Surprising Blackberry. And there you have it, the end of chapter 1. So if you do like to read, then subscribe to me and I will be reading daily on right now. So yeah, that is the end of chapter 1. Bye guys!